Good morning. It's time for some Tech for Senior AI fun. Only this morning I want to be a little bit more practical. If you're looking at the background, I used AI to create it. It's time for the 2024 Summer Olympics. So let's put AI to work. I have a simple prompt to feed to several AI apps. Here's the prompt that I'll be feeding, and you'll see them as I do it. Several AI apps. I live in Los Lunas, New Mexico, and I use YouTube TV as my service. Can you prepare a schedule about the televised Olympic events so that I can make intelligent choices about what events to watch, at what time, and on what channel? Thanks. Let me copy this. Close this down. Now, let's start. The first one I'll be opening is Copilot. And let's give that prompt to Copilot. Okay, so it's giving me general information about here's how you can find televised events for the 2024 Olympics. It's not paying attention to the fact that I told it where I live and what service I use. All right, that takes care of Copilot. Let me close it out. Let me open up Gemini and let's feed it the same prompt. And it's giving me today's schedule. That's a little bit better. That was Gemini. Let's close it out and next let's go to ChatGPT. And by the way, as you can see here, I used ChatGPT to create the image that we started this presentation with. Let me give it the same prompt. And let's see what it gives me for a reply. And it's sending me to NBC Olympic schedule for a full schedule. All right, let's close this one out. Let me open up next Meta AI, feed it the same information. So it gave me a listing of all the sports. First event, last event, number of participants, lots of statistics, but it didn't really help with giving me a schedule. One more to try. This one is Claude. Feed it the same prompt. At least it admits it doesn't have access to real-time TV schedule information, especially for future events. So it can't help with information and gives me just some general information. This may not be the best thing to ask AI. I might actually have to do this search by myself. It was worth a try, and certainly just making up a prompt is very simple. Just give it the information that you expect it to answer and hope that you get an answer that actually fits the question you asked. Hey, just a quick look, and we dug into quite a few different AI programs or apps. What we covered today was Copilot, Gemini, ChatGPT, Meta AI, and Claude by Audacity. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope this helped. Let me know what you come up with. Get busy on AI. Put it to work.